Working with Nero Disk software and have an NDM project for merging disks. These contain disk combination project data for optical media duplication. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Nero DiscMerge project files. Don't worry if the first steps fail. I have a guaranteed nuclear option recovery process for the NDM format, but we'll attack the top issues first. An NDM file is a project file created by Nero DiscMerge, a utility within the Nero BackItUp software suite. It contains the settings and file list for a backup job designed to span across multiple CDs or DVDs. Users create this file to manage large backups that exceed the capacity of a single disk. This file is likely a small binary or XML-based metadata file. It doesn't contain the actual backup data, but rather acts as a manifest, storing pointers to the source files, destination disk information, and settings like compression level. This design separates the configuration from the data, allowing for easy job reloading. The specialized program designed to handle NDM is Nero BackItUp by Nero AG. Metadata editing, crucial for this file, requires a specific application beyond standard Windows viewers. Windows offers only basic metadata for backup files, so full access depends on dedicated restore utilities. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your NDM file and choose Open With. Use Nero BackItUp if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the quickest diagnostic method. If the NDM file still will not open, there is no need to stress. If your file remains inaccessible, it's typically due to one of three common pitfalls. Let's review this straightforward list of culprits and verify their status right now. First, opening a Nero. Install Nero Burning ROM, or the complete Nero multimedia suite that includes disk merge functionality. Launch Nero and open the NDM project file through File then Open. The application restores the project state with all source disk references and merge configuration ready for output to a new disk through the burn function. Next, examining references. Open the NDM file in a text editor like Notepad++ to view project metadata and source file paths. The references reveal which source disk images or files are included in the merge project. This examination helps locate the source content if files have moved or restore project context for documentation purposes. Finally, using alternative burning software. For ongoing disk operations, consider alternatives like IMG Burn or CD Burner XP, which offer comparable functionality without proprietary project formats. Recreate the merge project by selecting source files in the alternative software. Modern workflows increasingly favor disk image files like ISO or USB-based distribution over physical optical media merging projects. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.